Hello, dear viewers. It's always a pleasure to have you back here at Money Value Academy. If you've ever found yourself questioning if there's more to your financial journey than the daily grind, or if you've felt trapped in an endless loop of chasing the next paycheck, today's topic will resonate deeply with you. We all have dreams of achieving true financial freedom, but there are often unseen traps that hinder our progress. In today's session, we'll pull back the curtain on these subtle snares, the ones that might keep us bound in the relentless and endless loop of work, often without us even realizing it. We'll not only spotlight these pitfalls, but also share strategies to navigate and overcome them. So, grab your note-taking tools, because this is one enlightening ride you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered the notion of working till the age of 65 and still finding yourself short on retirement funds? Unfortunately, this isn't fiction, but a stark truth for numerous individuals in the middle class. They often find themselves caught in routines and patterns, unknowingly ensnaring them in the infamous rat race. So, what's this rat race, really? It's the perpetual chase to move up the corporate hierarchy, hoping to earn more, only to support an ever-growing desire for a luxurious life. Many find themselves tethered to their desks, years past their prime. Today, let's unveil the 5 traps that might be pulling you into this never-ending cycle and how you can smartly sidestep them. 1. Having only one source of income. The problem with the middle class is that most of them have only one source of income. Recent times have starkly shown us the perils of having just one income channel. The unpredictable nature of the job market, combined with global disruptions like the pandemic, have placed a magnifying glass on the fragility of single-income dependence. Think about it. When people lose their primary job, what safety net do they have? The global upheavals have left countless people jobless, their sole income evaporated overnight. It's a classic case of not placing all your eggs in one basket. Relying solely on a paycheck is akin to walking a tightrope without a safety net beneath. Economic downturns, company bankruptcies, or even personal health issues can all interfere with that sole source of income. Suddenly, the ground beneath seems shaky, and financial turmoil is on the horizon. Diversifying isn't just a strategy, it's a necessity. How about trying side hustles that align with your passions or skills? For some, it might be freelance writing, while for others, it could be tutoring or graphic designing. And while traditional investments like stocks or real estate have always been appealing, the digital age offers a plethora of opportunities. E-commerce, affiliate marketing, blogging, or even starting a YouTube channel can turn into lucrative ventures if pursued with dedication. Crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending platforms also offer innovative ways to invest and earn. By branching out and creating multiple income streams, you're not just securing your financial destiny, but also enriching your professional journey with varied experiences. It's about ensuring you're not entirely at the mercy of an employer's whims or market volatility, but also enjoying the freedom and flexibility that multiple income channels can bring. 2. The lure of lifestyle inflation. Isn't it fascinating? When the middle class sees an uptick in their income, they're already mapping out ways to spend it. Be it moving into a larger apartment, buying that latest flagship phone, or finally getting the luxury car you've always eyed. It's a seemingly natural response, and our consumer society often endorses this behavior. But herein lies the trap of what experts call lifestyle inflation. While it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as your paychecks grow, it's crucial to recognize that every upgrade chips away at your ability to grow your wealth. Essentially, what happens is that, with every salary hike, your standard of living expands, leaving little to no surplus. This pattern could mean that despite earning more over time, you save just about the same, or in some cases, even less. The psychology behind this is intriguing. It's almost like running on a treadmill. No matter how much you speed up, earn more, you remain in the same financial position. The thrill of a new purchase might give temporary satisfaction, but its long-term financial repercussions can be detrimental. A higher standard of living often requires continual funding, translating to recurring expenses that didn't exist before. Instead of this reactive spending, what if you channelize these incremental earnings into proactive investments? For instance, let's say you get a bonus of $5,000. Instead of using that to buy a high-end gadget, if you were to invest it in a diversified mutual fund or use it as seed money for a small side business, it could grow and provide returns. However, it's also essential to strike a balance. Rewarding yourself for milestones achieved is vital for motivation. The key lies in distinguishing between wants and needs, ensuring that the rewards don't derail your financial journey. As the adage goes, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. 3. Overlooking the retirement treasure chest. Many have dreams of golden retirement but lose track amidst other financial obligations. But here's the golden rule. The earlier you start, the heftier your retirement pot. Let's not be the one regretting at 65, realizing the coffer is nearly empty. Let compound interest do its magic, clear off pressing debts, and diligently stash away for the golden years. 4. Sinking money in depreciating assets. A lot of us splurge on items that see their value plummet over time. Take the modern smartphone, for example. A mere year can see its value drop by a sizable chunk. Consider this. Rather than updating your phone annually, how about using the existing one a bit longer and investing the saved money? The compounding over years could swell into a significant amount, propelling you closer to financial liberation. 5. The comfort zone conundrum. Society often hands us a roadmap: school, degree, job, house. Comfortable? Yes. But does it guarantee financial freedom? Not necessarily. Stepping beyond familiar territories, embracing challenges, and exploring novel avenues can be the real game changers. Most people imagine a life that flows in a steady, predictable manner. We often gravitate towards routines that feel safe, making decisions that assure us of minimal risk. But this safety bubble we wrap around ourselves, often termed the comfort zone, can paradoxically be the most limiting space. While its boundaries shield us from immediate challenges, they also keep out the vast opportunities that lie just beyond. Being in a comfort zone is akin to watching the world through a window. You're protected from the elements, but also restricted from experiencing them. Over time, this sedentary stance can lead to stagnation, both personally and financially. Take, for instance, the realm of investments. Sticking solely to traditional low-risk investments might safeguard your principal amount, but it also means missing out on potential windfalls from higher-risk, higher-reward opportunities. To truly amass wealth, it's essential to educate oneself and take calculated risks, exploring avenues outside one's immediate comfort. From a career perspective, staying in your comfort zone often translates to adhering to a set job role or industry, even if it doesn't align with your passion or growth aspirations. It's not uncommon for individuals to stay in a particular position because it's safe, even if another path might offer better learning and earning potential. Moreover, innovation and entrepreneurship are born from the willingness to step out, challenge the norm, and face failure. Some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs broke free from their comfort zones, daring to dream different and pursue those dreams with tenacity. The underlying principle is simple. Growth and comfort seldom ride the same boat. It's imperative to question, learn, and venture out. As the saying goes, a ship in harbor is safe, but that's not what ships are built for. However, stepping out of your comfort zone doesn't mean making reckless decisions. It means arming oneself with knowledge, seeking mentors, learning from failures, and most importantly, fostering a mindset that views challenges as opportunities. And there you have it, dear viewer. Paths that may seem enticing, but can potentially lead you into the relentless maze of the rat race. If you've enjoyed this enlightenment, do consider subscribing to Money Value Academy for more wisdom. And before you leave, hit that like button to show some love. Together, let's navigate the financial labyrinth with finesse.